If I will be able to address today or the other day. Oh, my name is Teresia Wanjiru Kimoto of Tess Kimoto and Company Advocates Kerugoya.
Yes, my lords, if I may, just for a minute.
Yes.
I'm not objecting to Tess. My lord, in terms of equality of arms, I am concerned that the petitioners, having had 5 hours, and the other parties having the possibility of attacking another 1 hour or 2 hours, would then mean the respondent then would have, in terms of equality of arms, we then need the same amount of time in responding. And you had given 6 hours previously. So perhaps I suggest that Evans Ogada, the professor, together with the other petitioners, then share the 1 hour so that we are equal, so that we don't go outside the 6 hours. Tess can take 20 minutes so that we...
Why me 20?
Well, I think my learned friend, Professor Tom Ojienda, is being anticipatory. Let him wait and see perhaps how long we take. Then he can say at that time how much time he wants, rather than trying to, put the court in some straitjacket. We are very grateful, those appearing for the first respondent, but I do plead that the other counsel appearing for the other petitioners have their day in court.
We are in court.
Yes.
We are in court. They are having their day.
They have their day.
Yes.
They have their day in court.
Yes.
Because what this honorable court will ultimately say, either way, is going to apply in future.
I think the only issue we need to address is how much time do we give them? And I think we should appreciate that we don't have all the time. So let us plan to share maximum of 1.5 hours.
Your Lordship, I'm sorry, but I'm constrained to